Hello, my name is Ricardo, owner of Elite HVAC Contractors, and over the years, I've put together a proven process for our mini-split installation service, and in this video, we will walk you through that process. Step 1, reach out to us. Fill out our contact information form. Feel free to send some pictures and tell us what you want to have done in your home. Sending in those pictures is going to help us to better understand what you need, and it's going to make the process a little bit smoother. Step 2, phone consultation. Within 24 hours, we will call you for a phone consultation where we will talk more about your project, what you need done for your home, and we'll even discuss timeline and budget. This is beneficial because it'll let us know if we're a right fit for each other, and it'll save you time. Step 3, on-site consultation. We will go to your home and take a look at your project, take a closer look. You will tell us what you need and where you need it. At this point, we'll go over some questions like if you have an attic space, a crawl space, if you have a design review board or a homeowners association, as well as we'll take a look at the electrical panel. This is beneficial because it lets us know what we're working up against. It lets us prepare our presentation and our proposal geared to your specific home. Step 4 is our kickoff meeting. In this step, we make sure that everything's still okay with you. We go over the proposal again, make sure that you're okay with the equipment selection, the equipment location, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to let us know if there's something that you want to change or if there's something that you want to add. And this is a benefit because it makes the process go a lot more smoother. This ensures that everyone's on the same page for your project. Step 5, this is the most important step. This is where we get to protect your home and make sure that you feel respected and that your home stays nice and clean throughout the process. This is a benefit to you because once we're done working, you can go ahead and enjoy your system without having to worry about having to clean it. Step 6, we get to work. We like to focus on doing the inside work first. That way we can be out of your space faster, and then we wrap it up outside. Throughout the working process, we will send you pictures, emails, and text messages. That way you know what's going up in your space. Step 7, final walkthrough. Upon completion of your project, we'll walk the project and make sure everything's working properly. We'll show you how to use your new system. And this is a benefit because you can go ahead and enjoy your new space right away. Step 8, follow-up. 2 weeks after we completed your project, we'll go to your home, make sure everything's working properly. And this is a perfect opportunity for you to ask me any questions that you might have. With the completion of every Mitsubishi Ductless Mini-split system that we do offer a 2-year labor warranty, and we're a proud Mitsubishi Diamond contractor and can provide you with a 12-year equipment warranty. This is a benefit because it's a peace of mind for you. So that was our installation process for a Mitsubishi Ductless Mini-split system. You can learn more at our website at elitehvaccolorado.com, and I look forward to helping you stay comfortable.